Discrete manufacturers today are forced to continually adapt their production practices in order to react faster to market needs and improve efficiency in meeting customer expectation. Competition, changing customer demands, inefficiencies in inventory tracking and management due to lack of real-time data are causing cash flow issues. Lack of visibility to control production and labor costs and quality control are all-time challenges in the manufacturing industry. An integrated ERP that allows you to automate production planning, reduce inventory and enhance business process automation can help improve shop floor efficiency, supply chain visibility and inventory management, leading to cost savings, higher flexibility and better risk management. Epic Make from Reinbrücker is the ready-to-deploy industry vertical template solution for discrete manufacturing industry built on the EpiCore ERP platform. Epic Make has robust functionalities to fit the unique requirements of the discrete manufacturing industry and can support organizations following various manufacturing methodologies like make to order, assemble to order, make to stock, or a mix of these methodologies. With features like integrated IoT, advanced quality assurance, robust BOM management, advanced planning and scheduling, real-time inventory management, and more, Epic Make is a 100% manufacturing-focused solution. It allows manufacturers to adjust their production dynamically based on the evolving market needs with its cutting-edge features that keeps them informed on the dynamic market trends and customer expectations. The pre-configured solution helps discrete manufacturers implement the latest enterprise management solutions tailored for their business needs, faster, at the lowest total cost of ownership, ensuring a quicker time to value. The industry is transitioning at a fast pace, so it is time to transition your business as well. Get away from generic one-size-fits-all ERPs and choose an industry-specific ERP solution right size for your business. So are you geared up to leverage a smart ERP and become Industry 4.0 ready?